Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
I can take. Username we can take. And nationality I'm not taking. I can able to ignore it. I can click on continue. Now you can see here at identity section it has been completed. We are into personal information. In the personal information date of birth. We can able to take date of birth. Let me take some date of birth here. Then I'm not taking anything. I can add some for adding the data. I can add some email ID. Business email. And I can add some phone number. Phone number. Phone number I'm adding. And address. Let me take. I'm not taking anything. I can click on continue. Now you can see. Personal information is also completed. Now we are into the job information. We have selected created a position. We need to search if our position code is reflecting or not. It's falling down. Can you see our position? Code is showing here, which we have created right now. I will select this position. Once I select this position, can you see here are company, business unit, division, department, location, call center, everything will be auto-populated because that is connected with the position. Got job was updated. Only just see the mandatory fields. Anything if it has been missing now. And there are also 6 more fields are there. Not taking anything on the job relation. Pay grade is required. Pay grade. After this, again we can continue. Now, I think the another section is also completed. That is job information. We are into compensation. Pay group. Here I will take as N6. Now we can see here another. We have a submit button. Got activated. I can equal to submit. If you had created some pay component under recurring pay component, that will be also showing here. How it will be showing that? Only I told you. After creating the pay component, if you want to add that pay component and you want to specify the amount and the currency, if the pay component is not reflecting, that is because the pay component is not added in the country region in managed data. That only I told you in advance to be safe. Because I'm not taking this because it is not a mandatory. But if you want to have a proper data with components and everything, then you can use it. Take some couple of seconds. It is being done. The hire date for Santosh Kumar, it is showing. View profile. Click on view profile. When you are done the UDF, you are not having these details. Right? You can see. Now, when we have done with the add new employee, we have all the details updated. Whichever field with your filtered. Can you see here? And also one more thing. Here also you can see all the information should be there. And then when you go up here, also in the action also, you can see here these options also start populating. Termination change outcome. All this in UDF it was not populating. Right. Even for badges also, you can go. I told you, you can go from here also. Otherwise, you can go from here also. Can you see here? View pattern. Now, if you want to see the org structure also, because I have not selected any supervisor, if you go here, you can click on the org structure. Now, when you give some supervisor above you, it will be showing. For example, if I am just opening somebody as in the myth band. When I am just going for this, I am going to the org chart. Here you can see under the two Ola there. Right. To whom he is reporting, I can also go and see. This is the dummy data which I am just showing you. When you create your data with a managing director or CEO, under that you have some sort in that way, you also need to associate it. When you, while doing the hiring this with the active employee, you would see now one job relation. One option was there which I have not taken. There you can able to go and associate it. When I go here, I can go to the first one and I can go to change job info. Supervisor is not there, I am adding a supervisor. I can take something as 1st January and when you scroll down you can see no manager issues. Right. Here suppose let me add AML and maybe some workflow will be there. Approval process, I think. Again, because the reason is that we need to add all those event results there. Where in the country we can. I have only added for new hire. In the demo system, we need to see because there may be some restriction. That is the reason the system is only taking one-to-one event results. Here, I am doing some changes here. Rather going here, you can also go. You can go from job action also. Otherwise, we can go from job information. But that is not a correct process. When you are going on a real-time basis, all the end users should always go with action. When I just want to edit it. When I am going and doing it from the UI, it will not go. It will not take you for the approval process. Event result. That is required. But the thing is that from the vendor side, they have only given you the restriction to add one-to-one basis. If I go again here and I go here and I will go to manage data because that plus sign is not working when I just try to add up. Here there is a plus sign which is not working actually. This plus sign should have to in real time. It used to work. We can have multiple event results. Now it is not working. I can give data change. How you can see here, the options are there for adding the pay components. Similarly here, also country, region and saving it. Now again, when I go here, I am going to scroll down. I need to cancel it and then I can able to apply it again. But I can able to try. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. That is some issue with the event result. We need to check on. But once it is been done, then the pop why I am showing you that manager will be reflecting and we can able to go and see that org structure. We are going and seeing the org structure right now. Above him, we cannot able to go and see because we have not mapped the supervisor. And under him, if we are adding some other team members, then we can able to do during the hiring process. Got it? In today's session, we have done for import and export and for manage data for creating the records for the MDF object. Then after that, we have went on creating the position and how the position is mapped with the various organization structure. And then we have done with the third method of hiring, that is the also creating the record for the HR data, that is for with the help of Aglu employee, which is a tool associated with employees. We have seen how to go for the hiring. Now you can able to go and create your own structure and you can do your hiring without using any dummy data from the system. It sounds good. That is the reason this part I just completed in here. Whenever we are going with any other topics, you can able to do the test on your own data, rather going with the system data, the dummy data. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.